Hi fans, how's everyone doing today? Great new video for you, can't wait to jump in with everyone. Hey fans, thanks so much for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about business owner advice, specifically for the ladies and for some of our male fans. I want to talk to you about a very frequent opener that you've been hearing everywhere online. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. I could put a whole reel together on everybody who says, hey guys. Guess what? I'm not a guy. Ma'am, lady, miss, business owner, woman in tech, interested participant, YouTube viewer. There's so many things you can call me, including mom, wife, daughter, cousin, sister. I am not a guy. So quick infomercial for you. Write on your script the other 20 ways you can open a video. I'm in the Clubhouse app. I'm happy for you to follow me there. I don't often take the stage, but when I do, you're going to hear me talking about this. Hey guys has become something in our vernacular, and you know what? It's pure laziness. I'm going to say it again. Pure laziness. Say something unique to you, unique to your content. Welcome your audience in a way that is going to make them feel welcome. I'm telling you right now, you're alienating your audience with that same opener over and over. Stop being lazy. Come up with a new way to say hello. Hi fans, how's everyone doing today? Great new video for you. Can't wait to jump in with everyone.